Hey guys, how's it going? Andy here again with you, showing you our latest remodel project in San Antonio. As I like to do with all these projects, I like to show you the before, the during, and the after. Well, we're right in the middle of the project right now. We've already painted the exterior blue. We've done a tremendous job on the inside, super awesome job on the inside. These contractors are really knocking this out. And as you can see, work in progress, but it's coming along just fine. We've added some French double doors here, took out that sliding glass door, really opened up the space here, put some new lighting, new coloring. It's looking great, guys. I mean, this is the type of stuff we like to work with. We like to bring some projects to you guys that are easy to do, easy to flip, so we can turn around and get that return on our investment. Come on over, let me show you what else we've done. Just got to be careful here, it is a work in progress. We've added some shelves on the very top here. Okay. We've added some cabinets here. We're going to add a little bit of a granite lip here, really modernize the place. Granite here, we're going to add a dishwasher. We've added a new space for a pantry. I mean, this is really looking like a more modern home, something that we can really put on market out there for maybe some of these millennial buyers. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, so it is a small house, but the fact that we're putting in some of these new fixtures, some of these more contemporary fixtures, we're hoping to get a client that's going to appreciate what we're doing here. So you can see they've textured the walls. They've come in and really just painted this with what we call an agreeable gray. There used to be an HVAC line here, guys. They put that in and they stuck it in between the walls and between the studs just to kind of give it that better feel here. If you come out, we can show you what we still got to work on the bath a little bit, but they're starting to knock that out. I want to show you what that looks like when we're all done. And then bedrooms 2 and 3. We've got some closet doors coming in right here. And then we've got, I mean, guys, this is all in 1 week, okay? Look at this. We've got some new trim up here. We've got some new double doors here. Guys, this is going to turn out to be great. Call me if this is something that you're interested in. My number, 512-784-0048 in San Antonio. We picked up this house for $72, but we're going to put about $20,000 into it, and we want to put it back on the market for about $120, $130. Guys, we're going to get this home sold. We're going to get it sold fast. This is where we bring you back and give you that return on investment. Let's make some money together. If you're interested in flipping houses, I'm your guy. 15 years in the business. Andy Patlan, 512-784-0048. Thank you.